I keep picking on my pimples, and obviously it leaves dark spots on my face. I keep picking on pimples. I don't know why I keep doing that. I keep picking on pimples on my face.
You know how I feel. Why would you say that? Like, you put me in such an uncomfortable situation. Like, you know I'm not happy. You know I'm trying to see if it'll work out here, and I know that it's not.
Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sporo. Today I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I color correct the dark spots on my face and also the dark circles underneath my eyes. I really hope you learned something from this video, and don't forget to comment, share, like and subscribe. Alright you guys, so my face is washed and moisturized. Now my first step is to put on a primer. I am using this Maybelline primer today, Maybelline Pore Eraser. I really love the texture of silicone primers. I absolutely love them. I found a nice DIY mask to remove dark spots. I'm using it now. It's been about a week and the spots are fading a little bit. The moment I feel it's completely working, I will shoot a video. I will just shoot a video for you guys just to show you exactly how to make that mask. But so far so good, because these two right in the middle of my face have been bothering me the most, and I've never been one to put on makeup just to hide stuff. My full coverage foundation is finished. I've noticed that when I apply my foundation, which is my medium coverage foundations, I have to put on multiple layers in order for me to hide these spots, and that is not what I want to do, because you end up having this thick layer of foundation and take the risk of looking cakey or it cracking. So I started now including this color correcting step in my makeup application. Alright, so I am using the LA Girl Pro Conceal Orange Corrector. There are different color correctors that you can use for different purposes, right? For example, this orange corrector, this is usually for women of color or people of color to just try and hide hyperpigmentation, just to camouflage that, and obviously acne scars and dark circles around your eyes. For that you would use an orange corrector. And obviously with your complexion you get different color marks on your face. So if you have light or pale skin, you probably will have red scars or pimples on your face, and you use a different shade for that. And now I'm going to apply a little bit of this orange color corrector on all my problem areas and then just buff it in as I go along. I'm going to use my concealer brush to do so. Okay. You need to be careful not to put a lot. You don't want to have, you see this one I've just concealed here, guys. This was really bad, but since I started using that mask, because it was starting to fade, this is the first pimple spot I got, and since I started using this mask, it's the first one that's disappearing because it's the oldest one I've had. So yeah, we really need to take better care of our skin, and I'm actually guilty of that. And I think also because I've always been proud to say, oh, I've never had issues with my skin, and people would be like, oh my gosh, why do you have such beautiful skin? And I didn't make an effort at all, you guys. Like for a long time I'd use the same same towel I used to wash my whole body, same body soap I put on my face. Like, I promise you, throughout high school that is what I did. And then when I got to tertiary, maybe I started like getting face washes and all of that. So yeah, but now I do have a routine, but I've been so lazy, man. I've been so lazy. And I think the other thing is that I'm like, oh, it's fine, I'll just cover it up with makeup. But that's not what makeup is for. And now I'm just gonna take my Real Techniques Beauty sponge and just blend in, just push it into your face. Push in the color corrector into your face, so you don't really rub it, you just push it in, just like this. So these are all the acne scars concealed or color corrected, and you must just wait a bit for it to dry down. You don't put a lot, so obviously it won't take long for it to dry down. But before you go in with your foundation, make sure that the concealer is dry. You don't want it to move around when you put on your foundation, all right? So I also have dark circles underneath my eyes, if you can see over here. And I've been suffering from allergies. This is why I didn't post for about 3 weeks, because my eyes would just water, be red and itchy, and I mean, I would obviously rub them, and then this is busy creating dark circles underneath my eyes. So this color corrector is going to help me to minimize this dark circles. Once again, underneath your eye, this is a very sensitive area, so you do not want to put on a lot and have this concealer crease. So I've just applied a little bit on my concealer brush. Now that I've concealed all my dark spots, I'm going to go in with my foundation. My preferred method to use is to just push in the foundation, to just buff it in like this, just to avoid rubbing and eventually moving the concealer underneath. So yeah. It's important to always blend the foundation into your hairline. Alright you guys, so this is my face with the foundation, just the foundation only over the concealer. I think it's done quite a good job of hiding the orange concealer, and the concealer has also done a good job of hiding all these dark marks I was trying to camouflage. Alright you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the rest of my face off camera.